Sanction is hereby accorded as per induction training policy of PSPCL. It has been decided to impart 4-month industrial training to the newly required assistant lineman against CRA number 295/19, in which 4-week in-house training in batches shall be provided at respective training center, technical training institute, and the remaining 3-month on-the-job training in various field offices. The training of 4th batch of following 25 number newly required assistant linemen against CRA 295/19 shall be conducted as Zonal Knowledge Center Multipurpose Hall, Ludhiana, from 1/10/2020 to 30 October 2020, as per detail given below. Candidate name, father name, designation, proposed division, circle. It is responsibility of nominated official as well as his/her controlled officer to ensure the compliance of the officer order. In case non-compliance of this officer order, the responsibility will lie on the concerned deputed office official and controlled officer, and strict action will be taken against as per instruction approved by competent authority and circulated by CEHRD by his memo number 16170/16770 dated 17 September 14. Following term and condition will applicable on them for attending the above. During the above period, they will concern on duty for purpose of pay and other allowance. Travel allowance are admissible as per current instruction TA regulation. Participant will ensure to mark their attendance daily on the attendance sheet during training period. Since it is not residence program, so no boarding, lodging to the training shall be provided, and only lunch along 2-time tea with snacks shall be given as per approved training policy of PSPCL. Training kit contain 1 pen, 1 notebook, 1 CD containing training material, 1 group photograph, and 1 course book in a bag with be provided to the training for cost by PSPCL. Participant will receive the training certificate after successful completing the training program. They will not be allowed any joining time except the time required for attending the program. The honorarium fee shall be given to the facility as per training policy approval and chargeable to account head 76.168 of Chief Engineer/HRD. The facility member and training will be provided 2-time tea with snacks and lunch. The outside facility member will get honorarium TA and DA for providing training at JKC Ludhiana as per the provision of approved training policy of PSPCL. The issue will approval of competent authority. 29 September 2020, Ludhiana.